Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday. We're here and you are here. Welcome to the Charcuterie Business Boot Camp. We're so thrilled that you have joined us. We have a ton to get through today, so we are going to get started. This workshop is for you if you're itching to transform your love for charcuterie boards or any kind of food, really, into a profitable business. You might be tired and sick of your current job and you want to try to work from home to pay more bills or to take care of your family. Maybe it's a side gig for you, one way or the other. You're looking for a way to launch an online food business. This place is for you. Um, are you ready to take your business to the next level online? Maybe you already have a business that you're started, but you don't know where to start to get it online. So that we're going to help you with that part today. And maybe you're feeling like many of us do, too tech challenged, and don't feel bad because I didn't roll out of the womb knowing how to do this stuff. And, a lot of people that are in the arts or the crafts industries really don't spend a lot of time online. Lucky you, if you don't. But this might be good for you if you're tech challenged. And maybe you, like I said, you want to grow an existing business. Maybe you already have one and you want to figure out a way to get it bigger and better and get more exposure. So that's what we're going to cover somewhat today. I'm actually going to go through a roadmap here in a minute on what we're going to cover. Also, if you stay to the end, we're going to have a really special bonus for you. If you decide you want to go on a business journey with us, we obviously have some help for you if you want it. And you don't, hopefully you're going to get some amazing help from today's webinar. Let's talk about what we're going to do today on the roadmap. Why now is the hottest time to start your business. We're going to talk about that. Developing a unique and creative concept for your boards. Andrew's going to come in and talk about that. And also sourcing and pricing for your boards, because we know that seems to be one of the hottest questions there is out there. How do you price them? How much are you going to make? Where are you sourcing it so that you can actually earn money? How to create and automate your sales online. Guess who's going to talk about that? And where and how to market your boards so you can actually sell all year long. Then we're going to talk about how you can get more help to get help to get your business online fast, and then do some frequently asked questions. So feel free to throw questions in there, and at the end we'll go through those and try to answer them, okay, as we're going along. Okay, so step one of that roadmap, why our charcuterie business and why now? When we first started researching this, because of course we did that after she brought that board over to the house and we were all wowed by it. And I just put a search in and I use a tool called Keywords Everywhere. And this actually tells you how many searches a month are showing up for various different things. I think the thing that's really key is that charcuterie boards near me, because that's what people run searches for. And if you figure there are 49,500 people running that search in just, 1 month, that's a lot. Or even just people just interested in the boards in general. So those are people making them and, whatever. Anyway, you can see there's a massive trend here and it's only getting bigger as time goes by. The potential that the research that I've done over last year was as much as 90,000 on average. I shouldn't say as much, $90,000 on average and up, depending on how much you want to work. You can make this a side gig or a full-time gig and how you want to work. Of course, I'm going to give you a disclaimer. Everybody works differently. So, what you earn is based on, what you charge, where you're at, all that stuff. But if this is the average across the country, how much could this make a difference in your life if you go this route and maybe make it full time? Totally up to you. So you can do this and you can price your boards. We're seeing anywhere between 40 to 100% over cost, so that is pretty terrific, honestly. So I'm going to step back and let Andrea now take over because she's going to talk about the charcuterie industry, which she knows a lot about. So
Hi
go for
guys.
it. Take it away, sister.